Okay, let's talk about electrolytes. Okay, electrolytes, this is standard 11B, are things that conduct electricity when they're dissolved in water. So when you think of electrolytes, you probably think about Gatorade, and basically that's because Gatorade has things in it that break apart into ions. So something like salt. Salt is ionic, NaCl, sodium chloride is ionic. So when it dissolves, it turns into Na plus and Cl minus. And when it does that, over here, what you have are moving, charged particles. You need moving charged particles in order to be an electrolyte. So there are three types of things that have moving charged particles. Things that are ionic or ionic salts, acids, and bases. You'll see acids and bases on table K and table L in your reference table. So if it's on there, it's an electrolyte because it has moving charged particles. And if it's something that's ionic, which is a metal bonded to a nonmetal, it's dissolved in water, it's also an electrolyte, okay, because it has moving charged particles. Now, this sodium over here, when it's a solid right there, doesn't have any movement. The particles are fixed in a lattice. They're in a network of ions and they can't move. They can only kind of vibrate in place. But when you dissolve them in water, they break apart into these two different ions, which both have charges. So you have your charged particles, and the water adds the movement, and that's why that's an electrolyte. Okay, so acids, bases, and salts, ABS, are your electrolytes.